Full file replacement. As the name says it all, full file replacement will enable you to completely replace the already lodged STP file, including the latest pay event files after that date. Full file replacement is only recommended if the incorrect lodged STP needs to be adjusted drastically along with the total payroll amount and payee withholding amount, which in effect will change the W1 and W2 on the bars when data match is performed. In most cases, update pay event can be used to correct general errors. To do a full file replacement, go to My Lodgements, History. Open the lodgement report you would like to replace. On the top right corner, select More, Full File Replacement. This will move the lodged report from history back to saved reports in draft. Now go to Payroll, Payroll Events, Pay Run to edit the pay slips in that lodgement. Open the pay slip that is now in published status. Click Edit and proceed to make changes. In the Edit Pay Run window, make the required changes and save the changes and repeat same process for all other employees' pay slips. After editing the pay slips, you will now need to update the changes in the STP report in draft by going to My Lodgements, Saved Reports. Open the report that was moved from history. Select to edit. From the reporting info, go to More and select Refresh to update the changes you made in the pay slips earlier on the STP report to be lodged to ATO. Review the reporting info, Employees info. Make the declaration and proceed to relodge. Thank you.